when you started off with OP management, if you're looking at the number of, the amount of control or monitoring that you had, over time, did you start to rationalize it, and has that affected profitability?
I'm sure Viren will be able to answer better.
It goes down with time. It's because, for example, what we have done is reimbursed claims are the highest. In terms of cost of settlement or cost of serving these claims, the highest cost. What we have done is we have taken a premises in Hyderabad of around 500 workstations. Pan India, all claims are processed out there. We have created an infrastructure which is like 10 times of a TPA. So that we have to build in process efficiency. From the moment a file comes, the file is measured in terms of when it is inwarded, when it is scanned, when it is the doctor looks at. That level of TAT is able to measure. So unless until you build in capacity and efficiency, you can't manage it. And you can only reduce cost by building capacity and efficiency. So with time, it has actually fallen down.
So the most important question, I think this is a lingering question that has been in our mind. We have been debating whether providing more, which is OP, would it have an impact on IP claims? Does the program actually show that we know that surgical cannot get immediately impacted by providing OP? Does the rest of hospitalization, malaria type claims, waterborne, vector-borne diseases, do you see an impact in your IP claims because of the OP? You have such a huge
yes.
range.
At this point of time, theoretically yes, but honest word, the correlation has not even been set, because OP is basically run on Weavers. RSBI is IP. Today, if you see India, it is two different policies. And OP runs on geographic clusters, RSBI runs on districts. So it's a matter of time when we realize whether it is there. But personally, from personal front of view, I believe it has an impact. If you have done a good service in OP, it will have impact on reduction of IP.
It would occur to anyone that if you have OPD facilities, that means preventive facilities, which would not allow an ailment to escalate to a level which would require hospitalization. So that's the thumb rule. But how do you establish the statistical relationship between the two? I'll give a very guarded response in the sense like, if we are also able to introduce smart card technology in Weavers and Artisans policy across the board, probably then you would have better understanding of the subject.
Because that would be the $1 million answer. Then we will have a precise number of at X cost over these many years, OP really has an impact, and to this degree on IP. Then we'll start to see comprehensive programs.
True. We are running a pilot in one of the districts in UP. Smart card will have two impacts. One, you can actually measure the impact of IP on OP. Second, you can also measure the impact of fraud if it is moved from a plastic card to a smart card. So both the measurements will happen precisely.